What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel again. This is part 2 to the previous video. If you guys haven't seen it, I went over how to use a beard straightener comb, over some tips and tricks on that, how to use one of those. Today's video, so now I got my beard straightened out. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start shaping and cleaning up these loose hairs, kind of take down the cheek, clean up everything. It's Easter, so happy Easter. I'm trying to look good, look a little bit cleaner. So we're gonna get into that video, right? So stay tuned. Just to start off, number 2 guard right here. Okay, ergo clipper from Gamma StyleCraft. Pop that double magnetic guard on there, snaps right on. And all I'm gonna do is just kind of go with the grain. I kind of want to soften up this area. I want a little bit more flesh on my face. Keeping it flat on the head, so like that, and then just coming off. And we're only working with this cheek hair. We're not going to and down here right now. Okay, we're just working on the cheek hair, soften up these lines. If you don't like your mustache too puffy, you could do that as well. And I'm also gonna do it on the soul patch area as well. There you go. And all that's gonna do is remove that little bulkiness. Next, I'm gonna take off the guard. So no guard on there, just the clipper closed. Start shaping up all these loose hairs that you see. All these ones right here. See all this like extra stuff right here. All that, I'm gonna take that all off. Not comfortable with that. Just open up a little bit more and you can do that, and it's gonna not get it as precise, but you're definitely gonna notice the difference, and you have a little bit more room of error so you don't patch your beard. Always start off with the outside and then we come from the bottom. Take your time, be slow, use 2 hands if you have to, and this is a flat blade, right? So get it where you see in the mirror where it's like straight like that, and just come straight down. That's it. Don't try digging in. Right now we're just removing the weight from the outside. Sorry if I go back and forth because I'm trying to see what I'm seeing because I don't got a mirror in front of me, so I'm looking at the camera. This side pretty good. What I did in the front, you could tilt your head down like that and see whatever loose hairs, or you could just trust it. But I have a little bit more experience, or you could turn sideways as well. So it'd be like this, and you'll see the hair sticking up. See, like right here, you just go ahead and cut that. And don't be too afraid, because you have to think about it. The beard is pretty dimensional, There's a lot of hair back here, there's hair here, so there's layers on it. So you have to really dig in order to put a patch. So as long as you're on the outside of the beard, you're good. Okay, just don't dig in. Just make sure the clipper is not like this. You want it to keep it as flat as possible to the beard. Have the blade parallel to your beard. When you do the left side, you can switch to your left hand if you want, or just hold it this way and kind of turn like that. Pretty good, I would say. Got a lot of the loose hairs out of the way. If you wear a white shirt too, if you're doing this, don't do a dark color. Do a white shirt because you'll start to see kind of hairs better. If your beard's dark, wear a white shirt. If your beard's lighter, wear a dark shirt. Just flip opposite. Now we're gonna work on the bottom. So this side, you can see it's very uneven. What it is the back line is higher than the hair growth. These hairs are hanging over that line compared to this side where it's more, where the line is under is where the beard's meeting. So this side's pretty good. Match it. what I did there, first, you know, I'll say I did the outside. Now we're just working on the bottom of the beard. And I'm gonna put that line in, where I just kind of took all that bulky off, so I have a nice, you know, crispy line down here. After that, I'm gonna work on the length of the beard, how far down I want this to go, and what that's gonna do is meet where that line created. So now I got my gamma hitter right here. I like this one because it's small, feels nice in your hand. It's a good trimmer to use at home. This isn't meant to be, you know, perfect, everything's symmetrical, you know. This is just something to do at home real quick, clean up your beard, because it's gonna look a lot more presentable and you're gonna look a lot better than what we started from in the beginning. Especially if you go back to the previous video where I straightened my beard. Before I straightened it, you'll see this is a good maintenance if you can't get into the barber shop, or you know, you don't really care to go to the barber shop, you want to clean your beard at home. This is what it's for. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of length from here, because as you can see, you can kind of see through, right? Like, see how it's more dense up here? You can see through. That's because the line right here is higher and this hair is kind of lighter. If I dropped that line lower, it would have been as dense as up here. So I'm just gonna kind of clean that off. I want to try making it more square instead of to a point. Raise my head up a little bit, and I'm just gonna go straight back and imagine going to that line that I created down here. And I'm gonna go more flat, okay? So I'm gonna go flat, and I'm gonna keep everything flat. I'm not gonna dig in, go up higher back here. I'm gonna try keeping it straight across flat. Going straight across, I'm coming back to that line. You wanna imagine, you know, you're just connecting dots. So this is coming down right here. This stops right here, right? So what I need to do is just push this back, keep pushing that back until it kind of makes that square shape. See what I mean? And that's all I'm doing. I'm just connecting those dots. So I'm not coming up, going more in, because I want to keep this length right here, but this is too long, so I'm bringing it across. But then if you wanted it more dominant here and shorter back here, you would just, you know, bring it more like that. You would just go tight up here and make a straight line coming across and meet the length here. So this was a lot longer. This was, you go tighter, and it would be more of that type of angle compared to this type of angle, if that makes sense. Soften it up so it's not too harsh, because I don't want it, like, you know, too perfect. Just kind of come up and just kind of round in the ends a little bit. See how that's looking more better. Okay. Brush down your mustache, give yourself a little smirk, and just line up whatever hangs over. Now for the back line, it's pretty difficult, but you just go with, I like to find where the line's at right here and just trust yourself. This is straight, so as long as this is straight and you just come down, punch, 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 you're pretty much gonna get a pretty good line. And one side's always gonna be more difficult. This side's usually easier. This side's a lot more difficult, but just work with it. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. And a good tip too, take your phone out. If you don't know if it's good, take a side profile picture, look at your camera, and then you'll kind of see where it's at. But okay, that's pretty much it. I haven't really been touching my line too much. I'm gonna use a straight razor real quick just to get little baby hairs, but I've been keeping it very natural, you know, not really trying to get too sharp of a line. A Turkish razor right here. We just got some new ones in stock with the gold blade and the red handle. Looks clean. So if you guys do want to go and purchase yours, you can go and click down below. Very lightly, just cleaned up. You know, I didn't really push down anything here. Just keep it nice and natural. Not try and do too much. If you guys do want to know how to use a razor, I'll link the video somewhere here. I've done a how to use a straight razor video, so that'll help you out. So that's pretty much it. And you're always gonna see some loose hairs come back out right here. This long one. Just cut those real quick. But just don't be too picky because you're gonna just keep digging, 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 and then eventually you're gonna be like, fuck, I gotta shave my beard off now. So you don't wanna do that. Just get it pretty much where it looks good. The shape looks pretty good. Might not be perfect. I'm sure there's things that you guys can see from different angles while I'm doing it, but relatively, it looks good. Looks clean, a lot better than it did before. So all that's matter. Go ahead, take a shower, clean up your beard, wait a couple days, things grow out a little bit, and then you could go ahead and touch it again then to fine tune. A lot of people will ask me wow, your beard looks good. And this is what I do. I don't really get it too perfect. I just clean up. Obviously, if someone's in my chair, I'm gonna get their beard nice and perfect because you got another pair of eyes. I can look at different angles. When you're doing it yourself, don't be too hard on yourself. Get the general shape. You're good to go. But I'm gonna hop in the shower and we're gonna finish up this video, all right? All right, YouTube. So that's how the beard looks after. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, it might not be perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Make sure to comment down below. Make sure to check the other videos. If you guys did stick around this far, appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Check out the other video if you are new from here so you can see how I straightened the beard out and then shaped it, because it's really good to straighten out the beard because it helps get it to the full length, so you make sure you're getting an even cut. That's it, YouTube. Have a happy Easter. Hope you guys enjoy it with your families and friends. But catch you guys in the next one, right? I'm out. Deuces.